The surprising tech behind credit cards.
Credit cards may look simple, but they're packed with technology. Beyond the plastic exterior, there are tiny chips, magnetic stripes, and even radio antennas. These features allow for secure payments, quick transactions, and protection against fraud. Let's open up a modern credit card and explore how these hidden tech components work together every time you tap, insert, or swipe.
The magnetic stripe, old school, still useful.
The classic magnetic stripe stores your card's basic information. Invented in the 1960s, it contains a coded line of data used by card readers when you swipe. While newer technologies are becoming more popular, the magnetic stripe remains a reliable backup for payment processing, especially in areas where chip or contactless readers aren't available.
EMV chips, next-level security.
EMV chips are the small metallic squares you see on modern cards. Named after Europay, MasterCard, and Visa, these chips generate a unique code for each transaction. This makes it much harder for criminals to copy your card details or create a clone, helping protect you from fraud with every use.
Contactless payments, tap and go.
Many cards now include contactless payment capabilities. By embedding a tiny radio antenna inside the card, these systems use near-field communication, or NFC, to transmit payment data securely. Just tap your card at compatible terminals for fast, touch-free transactions. This technology makes checkouts quicker and more convenient than ever.
How your data stays safe.
Behind the scenes, advanced encryption and authentication keep your information secure. Credit cards use complex algorithms to protect your data during transactions. Combined with features like EMV chips and secure networks, these safeguards help ensure your money and privacy are protected, even in a world full of digital threats.